apply the condensed glue gels on these nails. And using a collection touch of colors. I think it's blast of color is cool though, but touch of color is also cute as well. And I'm gonna using this color right there. So that's nails is super cute. Screwdriver. What's changing? We apply the precision glue just a little bit. Really thin coat of condensed glue gels is where you can encapsulating this much better. You can do a background like have a little bit of light orange colors, like light like salmon colors. Doesn't have to be in white. I'm gonna flash cure this one for 30 seconds. There you go. 30 seconds. This is from my Touch of Color collection. And I am going to apply another coat of condensed glue gel to encap and a matte top coat, so then I can paint some. It's really simple from using our floral brush. Let me see my matte top coat right there. Great. Another coat of condensed glue gels. Really thin coat. But if you already have the colors like a glitter on already, there's no problem, you can use that and then apply. But I like this look of really dramatic glitter and so shiny. Give a different iridescent look. Blend that nicely and going with the matte top coat. Gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. Later when I'm matte, it's gonna put the shiny back again. I just want this so then I can paint it. And with this look, I have this palettes right here. Let me wipe this off. Okay, a little bit messy and confused right there. The color we did it first with the Blossom gel. Great. So I have it right in front of me. Must be a rubber somewhere on this one. It's number 2. It's a floral brush. And I put some of crimson red. It's like a really deep red too. Oh, not Weaver gel. Where's my gel painting? Oh, it's on the side. Sorry. I said we'll have 3 or 4 of them because we're going to use all of them. So the crimson red, which is this, and then if you want, you can like kind of tone it down a little bit by adding just a little bit of white gel painting. And then I using the second one is sweet orange, and then this next to this one, the yellow is yellow sun, and the last one I have is the deep purple. So it's like look like a black, but it's deep purple. And if you want to, can do a little bit of a. Let me see if I add just a little bit of white on that. Just a little bit of white. Sarah sharing yesterday is really cool. The way she's doing it, her pigments stunning. I really like that. So I'm at just like really a dot of white to make it like the red is a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna go in and mix this orange. It's a little bit red and white to make it some more solids. And it's a little bit yellow. If you need more, you can always add it in more. You can see more yellow now. The purple. I might do a little bit more because it's really deep purple. To play with that deep purple and see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, here is my number 2 floral. So each of the number of the brush is that had two actually end, a dual end, so it give you two different designs of the flowers petals. So I'm gonna using this ones for this nails. And after 60 seconds here for this nails, it looks like matte, which is totally fine because we're gonna do something. So I am going to using a little bit of white. And a little bit orange. And just paint it, like hold your brush is like have a parallels with the nails. And you have to do a second one, same thing. Do this one. So I know I kind of like this look, and I'm gonna just like really outline it later. Really cool. And then also you can do that purple with white as well. I don't know, should I try that? Maybe I should, huh? Purple. Let's see how purple take me to. If you don't like it, you can always doing turn this way. You absolutely can using other color. I just curious with the purple how it's gonna take us. I'm gonna flash cure this ones for 30 seconds. Clean my brush. You can see that how it dissolving all that pigments, and wipe it off. You can repeating it until you get all of your pigments dissolving from your brush. Try to get outline for my flowers. I feel like I am like Sarah right now. Sarah, I just can't wait for you to do a lot of fun design. Mix a lot of color too. And you can fill it in. It's not, don't have to worry about necessary is perfect because we're gonna do crystals on it as well. But I wanna really make it define. Sorry. Keep moving off the camera. And I'm gonna, it's just like something that you can do, it's painting. However, we have a lot of fun like encapsulating, but if you want a big flowers like this, the big leaves like this, so it's cool to doing with the floral brush. I don't mess it up. And go into the purple. I'm gonna just like really fill it in. Get more whites, mix with my purple. Good. Give me that. Hey, wipe that one. If you don't want this, you can absolutely like reapply it again for these petals. If you wanna like make it darker. What happened? You should pay attention. It'll fall if you don't pay attention on it. Hello everyone, sorry we missed completely. Thanks so much for welcome back. So sorry we couldn't keep it, like we couldn't end it fast enough.
We have it on Facebook.
But on Facebook. It is on a really deep purple though. This is so interesting, these nails. I want to outline this to make it look good. Alright, so it's okay. I think, can you take care of that? Didn't realize that we passed an hour. Welcome back. Hello Instagram. Thank you so much. Now I am going to like a flash key this one for 10 seconds. I feel like once again. I'm gonna outline this. All right, here 10 seconds. Get this so you can outline it a little bit. All right. So I mix just a little bit of the orange and the red, and I'm going to leave it like a little veins. Just get a little bit darker so they can highlight them. Great, so I'm gonna do the other one. It's the same. This I'm gonna add a lot more white on that. Okay, I'll just get this.